Perfection begins with every detail. Introducing the all-new INNOTEK Premium Slim Tandem Box. Experience unbelievably smooth opening with precision-engineered undermount slides. Engineered to carry up to 45 kilograms, with unmatched strength and complete stability. One gentle push, and advanced soft close technology does the rest. Silent, smooth, perfect. Built with premium-grade steel for exceptional durability, reliability, and years of flawless performance. Designed for quick installation, making every project faster, easier, and more efficient. INNOTEK Premium Slim Tandem Box.
Strong, smooth, reliable.